Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to each and every one of you. My name is Siti Nurul Atika binti Abu Sama from Faculty of Plantation and Agrotechnology, University Technology Merayu ITM Melaka, Malaysia. Our paper ID is 179 with the title of Effects of Different Organic Fertilizers on Growth and Yield Potential of Solanum melongena eggplant. Solanum melongena is a plant belonging to the Solanaceae family. So it has a rich source of numerous nutrients, energy, sugars, carbohydrate, dietary fiber, and protein. According to the Vegetable and Cash Crop Statistic 2020 by Department of Agriculture Malaysia, the total area planted for eggplant in Malaysia was about 2,385 hectares and the production was about 39,785 metric tons per year. So Solanum melongena is a vegetable crop where its growth rate and yield quality are largely influenced by fertilizer application. Currently, chemical fertilizer is widely used in agriculture, including vegetable crop planting, because of its high productivity in a short period of time, despite of its drawbacks such as expensive and resulted in nutrient imbalance and social acidity and soil acidity. So the application of organic fertilizer to crop has high economic advantages when compared to inorganic fertilizer. This organic fertilizer application can significantly enhance growth and yield quality of Solanum melongena fruit. So the different organic fertilizer could help to alleviate the significant reliance on chemical fertilizers while lowering the cost and improving eggplant growth and output. Therefore, the objective of this study were to determine the growth of eggplant and to quantify the fruit yield based on the fresh weight as affected by different organic fertilization. So for the materials and method, um, the experiment was conducted in greenhouse tree variety Amlaka branch Jasin campus. The selected variety was Antabago hybrid F1. So the experimental design used was CBD with 4 application. Planting container used was polybag and the media used was topsoil and sand. For the treatments, there were 4 treatments with four application. The first one was T0, no fertilizer, which acted as the control. T1 consists of chicken manure, T2 consists of vermicompost, and T3 consists of biochar. So there were 2 application of treatments. So for the first time was applied during the soil preparation, and the second application was given after 4 weeks of the transplanting process. For the data collection, there were 2 types of data were being collected. The first one was growth data, consisted of plant height, number of leaf per plant, leaf area, and total of plant fresh weight and dry weight. The second data was yield potential data, which consisted of number of flowers, number of fruits, fruit fresh weight, and fruit dry weight. As for for the results, we go to the growth data. So based from table 1 and table 2 showed here, the plant height, number of leaf area, total of fresh weight and dry weight of plant showed significant differences compared to the other treatments on chicken dung. So this result was similar to the previous study by other researchers where application of chicken dung resulted in the highest plant height, number of leaf area, fresh and dry weight of plant. So this chicken dung fertilizer that enters the soil was decomposed by microorganisms and plants will absorb the nutrients that occur from the decomposition process and thus increase the height of the plant. So the similar thing happened to the number of leaf where this chicken dung will promote the assimilation of the nutrients to the plant by increasing the absorption and transport of nutrients by the roots, which can increase nutrient absorption for leaf formation. As for the leaf area, so when chicken dung was used, It supplied nutrients to the growth of leaf size, which increased the leaf area and in turn increased photosynthesis to give energy to the plant to support the plant growth, so which eventually increased the total fresh weight and total dry weight of Solanum melongena. For the second data, which was for the yield data, as you can see from this table, for the number of flowers, chicken dung showed highest significant differences compared to the other treatments. However, for the number of fruits, fruit fresh weight, and fruit dry weight, there's no significant differences between treatments. So for the number of flowers, this result similar to the other studies by other researchers, since the nutrients in chicken dung promote high vegetative growth and ultimately increased during the flowering stage. So that's why the number of flowers is increased when chicken dung was applied to the treatment. But however, for the other parameters, although it showed no significant differences, but the highest mean data was shown on the chicken dung application compared to the other treatments. So for the conclusion, the present study confirmed that chicken dung was the best organic fertilizer for eggplants growth and yield production. So therefore, chicken dung is recommended in the cultivation of eggplant as an alternative to the other organic fertilizers or chemical fertilizers. The usage of chicken dung, which can reduce environmental contamination, especially water pollution from agriculture farm, from chemical fertilizer usage, and its lower price would definitely help in reducing the cultivation costs for eggplant. So with that, I end my presentation. Thank you.